Good morning. We are from the EAT department of MGM Medical College, Kishanganj. Myself, Dr. Priyanka Chakrabarti. With me, Dr. Tamanna Parveen is there. She is also, both of us are faculties of this medical college. And we have got postgraduate trainees, Dr. Khalil, Dr. Aman, Dr. Anmol, and Dr. Ananya, and Dr. Kamar. So, all of us are EAT surgeons. And this is a very good opportunity to make people aware about the hearing loss. So we are celebrating National Hearing Week from 3rd March to 9th March. The theme of this year is diagnosis of hearing loss in young children and treatment. So young children are very much, they are not able to speak, tell the parents that they are having difficulty in hearing. But it should be detected by parents as well as the pediatricians early so that they can refer to us for early diagnosis. The first thing which we have to look for is if the child is having a delayed speech, if the child is not able to speak early, then by the age of 2 to 3 years, if the child is not able to speak in sentences, then we have to see if there is a loss of hearing in this children. And if there is a history of difficulty during delivery, like in birth asphyxia, or the patient or the child is admitted in ICU, then we have to send the patient for hearing assessment so that we can detect early. And there are multiple options for treatment of hearing loss of children. Like if there is a conjunctive hearing loss, like in adenoid hypertrophy or serous otitis media, we can do small operation like chromate insertion or radiolectomy, and we can help the child. But if there is a congenital hearing loss, sensorineural type, we can do a cochlear implant. So the key lesson of this event would be to detect as early as possible hearing loss as early as possible. By 1 month, we should be able to screen the hearing of every children born. By 6 months, we should be able to diagnose clearly that the child is having hearing loss, so that we can intervene very early. Thank you so much for this help, and support from Endor Pharmaceuticals is appreciated.